Do you like what you see? Do you like it? Just tell me, do you like it? Well, this sardine bread is so easy to make. It is soft, it is sweet. It's like the tastiest bread I've ever made. Anyway, let me show you how I made it. So to make this recipe, you're going to need milk, yeast, sugar, flour, salt, oil, or butter. I'm going to put a complete list of all the ingredients in the description box. Now, I had to put the yeast in the milk, remember, and there's sugar in the yeast. This is going to make the yeast ferment because we need to ferment the yeast before we bake. It's very necessary. So you stir and allow it to ferment. Give it some time to prove so you know that you're using a good yeast. So I mixed all ingredients together with my hands, transferred it into a food processor. I told you this food processor is a must have in the kitchen. But if you don't have it, you can always use your hands to make bread. Now, I have so many recipes on how to make bread in my channel. So you can actually go to my channel and check on how to make bread if you don't have a food processor. So you see me adding the yeast now. I'm going to add everything I need, close my food processor and process. Now, this is going to make it easier to knead. So I used it for about 10 minutes and brought it out and decided to use my hand, because even if you have a food processor, you still need to use your hand. Okay, use your hand to however way you like to do it, but you must knead your dough. Knead it so it becomes soft. You can hit it, beat it on your surface, your clean surface. And please don't come for me, my surface is always very clean. Okay, so my surface is so clean. My kitchen is a little bit small, so I don't have so much room to make. So when you know your dough is ready, when you push it in and it goes up back, so you know your dough is ready. I added a little bit of oil so that my dough doesn't stick to my bowl, and allowed it to proof for 1 hour. Though my proofed a little bit for more than 1 hour because right now in UK the weather is cold. Okay, so I covered and let it proof for 1 hour depending on where you are watching from, or let's say until it doubles in size. So you can see it. Sorry, I have cough. Okay, so the dough has proven, you can see it. Bring it out, give it another bit of massage and divide into the shape that you want it, and add your sardines inside. Now, for using your sardine, make sure you take out the oil. We don't need the oil inside it, so we just need only the sardines. Okay, when you put your oil, it's going to make your bread oily, so much oil in your bread. Okay, so we don't need the oil, we just need only the sardine. But if you want to use your oil in your bread, that means you're going to mix it with your butter when you are kneading your dough. All right, so we are going to divide into our desired shape, put our sardines inside, and we let it proof for another 1 hour. So you can see me trying to flatten my bread, but that doesn't mean you must make it my own style. Just make it your own style. You can see I was even tired at this point, so I just made it anyhow. The sizes were not equal. So please don't be like me. At times it just gets so tired. I get so tired and all of that. So just make it the way you want. You can use a scale to actually weigh them to make sure they are of equal sizes. Okay, so you can see the way I put my sardines. I'll repeat it for the other dough and cover it and let it proof. Now, I didn't put sardines in all because this we're just two in the house and the bread was going to stay for about 5 days or 4 days so that it doesn't spoil. So I just put sardines in 4 loaves, and the other round ones there was no sardine in them. So it all depends on how you want it. After 2 hours, my 1 hour, my dough has risen. You can see me. So I applied eggs on it just to make it shine, and sprinkled a little bit of sesame seeds on it. So you can see after 30 minutes, mine was a little bit over 30 minutes because I had something to do and I totally forgot it. So before I came, it was a little bit burnt. So, but you can see it turned out very okay. And this bread is so delicious that that night my husband ate two out of it. You can see it. Well, I hope you like it. Please, if you've not subscribed to this moment, what are you waiting for? Please just subscribe to the channel, okay? Subscribe. Help me make YouTube push my videos to other people. Thank you for watching. See you.